Hello, it's Marcus McCurry, DFW fence contractor. Just wanted to show you a little fence we just wrapped up right here. This one's 6 foot tall board on board. This one has a Oxford brown stain on it. We don't do a lot like this where we do a dog-eared top on top. That's not a normal thing for us. We normally have top cap and trim. When you do the dog-eared one like this, the nail line is usually down about 6 inches down below, and just above a fence like this, if we were going to do top cap and trim, we would move that rail all the way to the top, and this rail would be here. So usually when we build dog-eared, it's not typically board on board. It is typically just a side-by-side fence, but this is a Western red cedar dog-eared board on board. We did put at the bottom a footer board along the bottom to get the fence up off the ground. We're shooting for 3 or 4 inches. Just depends upon what the yard's going to let us do and how the yard's going to let us do that. Some areas of this yard it's a little bit tighter, some is a little bit shorter. But this right here is Oxford brown, Western red cedar, just a dog-eared fence built piece by piece. Typically get about a 3.5 inch space between the pickets, which is going to give us more or less like 1.25 inch overlap this, so that way when these do gap, they're not going to gap, and it will remain private. So this is a full privacy board on board. It should stay that way for a long time.